480 kilometers in a single charge.
Yes, you heard that right. This electric scooter goes up to 480 kilometers on a single charge. What more does a road tripper like me need? Money? Apart from the range, the other thing that impressed me is the looks of the scooter. I feel it looks a little futuristic. It has defined cuts like the Tesla truck, but definitely looks better. And the color too is not that common. Please don't ask me the name of the color. It has 12-inch tubeless tires. The front wheel has a disc brake while the rear wheel has a drum brake. This scooter runs on 2 batteries. One is in the boot and is removable, while other one is in the floor, which is charged by the plug point given underneath the seat. The display looks like an Android powered tab, but is just a basic display, which was a letdown. According to the style of the scooter, it should have had a smart display like Ather has with connectivity and navigation. The top speed of this scooter is 65 km per hour.
Now coming to the interesting fact, the cost, the range and the charging time. The cost of this scooter is only 2,45,000 rupees. Obviously it is so powerful that it has to be a little expensive. And the charge, obviously it is 480 kilometers. It has gone up to 500. I will soon be taking a ride on this to check out the actual range. And the charging time, another interesting factor, is 15 to 16 hours. Again, the battery packs, there's one over here and one inside this, so it takes a lot of time to charge. So to fully charge the scooter, it takes around 15 to 16 hours.
On road, the scooter is again impressive. The pickup is powerful. In a few seconds, you get into the 50s and 60s. The handling is superb and the suspension is good. The 12-inch tires gives you the confidence to go all out. The height between the floor and the seat seems to be shorter as compared to other scooters, due to which there is an extra bend in the knees. I'm 5'5" and I was feeling like a tall guy while riding the scooter. Wait, did I grow taller?
So that's it about this scooter. And this is not the Dewan style. I'm in a really cold place in Punjab called Sangrur, where Raft Motors has a factory, and it's freezing cold actually. It's 5-6 degrees over here. Anyways, do subscribe to my channel and like the video, share it with your friends, and let's grow. Bye.